Here are 6 things to check on your Vortex sink if it's not powering on or if it's not taking a charge. First thing is to make sure that you've got that back cover all the way clicked in like this. Now it powers on. Next, check to make sure you don't have grime or dust buildup on the inside of the back cover. You can use a microfiber cloth or a brush to clean that off. Next, make sure you don't have corrosion at your battery connections, and also make sure your battery is not starting to fail and get puffy where it won't take a charge or it discharges too quickly. That's what a failed battery looks like. Next, make sure that your charging port is not full of grime or dust. Use a very small sewing needle to get the dirt out. Check your brick and your cable, make sure it charges something else to make sure that that's not a culprit and you need to replace it. Make sure that the outlet you are plugging your charger in actually has electricity. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.